So we've signed Carlos Baleba to Manchester United. Sijui kama kuna watu wanaangalia hii signing and wanaketi chini wanajikuna like, okay, tumesign another midfield. Yes, we are happy and we are excited. Tulikuwa tunamtaka since last season wakati Amorim alikuwa na bado yuko coach. We wanted this guy and now finally we have him, but now we got me thinking like, okay, what is our midfield too? Tutaekaje kikosi cha Manchester United? Because if we play midfield 3, of course we know the third midfielder is always going to be Bruno Fernandes, but what about our midfield too? Itakuwa nani atacheza? Ni Kobbie Mainoo na Carlos Baleba? Ni Kobbie Mainoo na Yori Tielemans? Ni Kobbie Mainoo na Santos? Ni Baleba na Tielemans? Like guys, kuna kibarua kikubwa sana. Because all of these are prospects. Kando na Yori Tielemans, Baleba, Santos na Kobbie Mainoo are all prospects. Yeah, they are young, they have a room for improvement. But kando na Yori Tielemans, who brings experience, what about these three? Who is going to be the main key player? Who's going to be the number 6? Hapa kuna kazi kubwa sana. Yes, I'm excited that we have this young lad, but we've signed this player that we didn't even need. Because Carlos Baleba and Kobbie Mainoo are almost the same player. I would like to see what Michael Carrick is going to line up this midfield. Ningependa sana nione venye ataipanga hii midfield. Hapa kuna kibarua. Anyway, Carlos Baleba, welcome to Manchester United. This season, we are hopeful we are going to win the Premier League.